here at the Yelchennahalli railway station, metro station. It sounds exactly like I'm saying it. It's called Yelchennahalli. You can see it right there. And I'm on my way to go to Wonderla today. So I don't know if this vlog is actually gonna come out or not. But I'm waiting here for Rahul and Boogeyman. And Aniket's also going to be up for this trip. So yeah, we're in the car. We've got Boogeyman here. We've got Rahul here.
Oh, Bangalore has Wonderland. It's full of rides and water.
How do you feel? Did you guys script this song or something?
Like I was shooting last night and I thought out.
What the fuck? It's going on.
Nice. Good beginning. Hey, Macha, while going highway and all, okay, record. Oh, actually, it's fine.
I've never been on this road. It's like one of those Bollywood movies where the
Pursuit is going on and all.
yeah. But they're in Europe and there's always a girl. And then there's a song.
Taxi guy was actually going above 120 on this road.
Oh, you want to break the record? Actually, what speed do you want, bro? 160, huh?
I want the speed with which we're all alive.
Paul Walker scenes, no?
शीशे बंद कर लो यार.
Acha.
Because I don't want aerodynamics friction. Just Ranji, I know.
Third year engineering pass out right here, man.
Yes, CS Mac. And
Okay,
what is?
we are on a try to
Trip.
go full on Allahu Akbar on this road. Let's see how it turns out, है ना? So, क्या कितने speed तक?
अभी नहीं, we are on the road.
It's here.
In 400 meters, turn left onto
Wonderla, guys. Woo!
We are here. ये बहुत कम है यार.
The last time I was at Wonderla was back from school or something, when I was in 5th grade. So I was like really scared to go on any of the rides and shit.
And now
So I'm back right now.
with a bang.
You know when I went last to Wonderla? Never.
Is he back with a bang, huh?
Okay.
Who's the bang?
So Rahul's here and where is Aniket? I can't spot him. Aniket's right here. So we're done putting stuff in our lockers and we're about to go and not go there. We're going to go to the land rides first because these things don't open right now. So very excited and also very scared because never been on a lot of rides.
Oh, आ गया. Oh.
You know how to swim?
Yes, I do know how to swim.
You know how to swim?
Okay, it's it's
yes.
that tall.
Yes.
So
Okay, वो उधर से क्या चल रहा है वो देख. ओए, उसमें तो भाई this fucking.
okay, ready to rock this shit. Hopefully, we just did that. That's like so high. And oh God, blood is still in my head. Rahul and Aniket are about to go now. I'm gonna record them.
Oh, it's gonna be.
That was crazy, man. That's so great. Guys, Aniket's got his bandit goggles on.
Open your pony.
He'll make it fit. Don't worry,
राहुल ऊपर सांस रोक लेना प्रेशर पड़ेगा.
guys.
It's gonna be lean.
It's gonna be what?
आगे bro.
Don't worry, it's fine. Guys, Oh shit, that's Aniket.
Yeah. Throw.
Oh god. Whoa. They're coming down. I think it's coming down. I think their minds are blown.
We'll see which rush is left.
When you say Tumblr, you don't mean the social media. Nope. Thank God. I pushed it out for this ride. It's like way too big. Rahul's right there. Say hi, man.
Backed out. Tell you backed out.
Yeah, I told I backed out. It's too huge. It's too freaking scary. So this thing, I'm gonna show it to you guys, right? It's pretty freaking huge. But Rahul's been on this before, so he knows. But I don't know, man. It's I've done that one, the Maverick. This one is like seems a little bit out of my range. Rahul's up there, guys. I don't know which side he is in. My battery was really low, and these two fuckers, they ditched us and went to
swimming.
I'll be going there in a while. I think Rahul's over there.
I can see shoes
There.
left. Inside left shoes, black shoes.
Yeah. Can you guys tell me how was your first day?
Oh, my heart is in my mouth. That's all I can say.
I went on four thrill rides. No, actually I went on 4 thrill rides.
Please.
Yeah, I did. I did. Okay, this is a very awkward angle because it's connected to the power bank. Epic. It's gonna continue after lunch. Let's see what we got for lunch. We're going to collect our Wonder Splash photos. It's gonna be epic. Hold on. Rahul, what's the number?
69.
Hold on. Man. Wow, it goes like this, uphill and falls into that pool. Pretty epic. We got a photo like something like that.
Let's go on easy keys,
Okay, so that's me. Boogie behind. Rahul and Aniket. Aniket is like Zone Rambo.
I'm having fun with girls though.
Sure. Good stuff, man. So let's go. Yeah, man.
Last moment rides. 1 last 6 hours, 7 hours seems so less.
I know, right? Oh yeah, this is. Let me show you Wonder Splash. That's where we come down from. We are not creepy people. Oh yeah, that's the junior whatever that is. We went on a bigger one right earlier today. Let me show you the rides I went in. I went in that one. That's called Maverick, by the way. Shout out to my nigga Maverick. He'll obviously watch this video, obviously. I did not go in this one. This one's like it's like an L-shaped thing that goes up and turns like a giant monster. The roller coaster, unfortunately, is closed down, as you can see. Woo. Justin Bieber. I will never say never. My nigga Jaden. Went in that one though. That one right there is called Insanity. It's insane, like the word says. We're now trying to find a ride which is working. I highly doubt that anything is working now though.
Yo, vlogger. Someone else also in your vlog other than you.
I'm literally not putting my foot.
Little disappointment. We came for this.
This is all out, man. They told me intentionally. Recoil is all off. Man, look at it. Would have been awesome. Look at the end though. It's like just goes there and comes back, I think. Freaking crazy. I'm gonna try and go for this. I'm gonna try and get a better shot of it. Aniket, shall we go for this? Okay. Where is Booty? Huh? In your back. Yeah. We went on Equinox, the three of us. Amazing, we went like till there. Oh fuck, it was 90 degrees.
It was extra, more than last time, man.
Like-
Oh, crazy.
Best last ride ever.
Legit.
It wasn't like this. It wasn't like this last time.
the fucking turbo button or something this time.
I thought he'll go like, I didn't scream though. I didn't scream. Like,
He made everyone he silenced everyone with that dude. Holy shit.
huh? What do you think about the music?
Hey, Nachi. Whatever your tattoo thing.
I'm gonna get one. Hold on.
Okay. Nice.
Hopefully it's open. I'm gonna get a lit tattoo. Saying 69. Swaggy? Hey, goodbye Wonderla. Wonderla was fun. Boogie, can you summarize our trip?
Overall, see, first thing, weather, too good.
Okay.
Experience in Wonderla, starting from what that flash point, no? Flash tower or something.
Some up and down shit.
Oh, whatever the up and down shit, no. Too good.
Will it go in the vlog?
Chummeshwari. Too good. And after that, we went on.
अबे वो तो देखो भाई नची record.
Overall experience.
Boogie's first time in Bangalore, by the way. That's why.
Bangalore. Chant करते भाई.
Oh yes.
Bangalore is wonderful. ಅದ್ ಮಾಡೋ.
ಅದ್ ಮಾಡ್ದೆ ಗುರು. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ಯಾ?
Life
Superb trip,
and
nice.
superb rides.
This is the epilogue After everything, you see Rahul watching his feet.